I'm an active citizen.
We are active citizens.
I'm taking my insights and my opinion.
My emotions and my aspirations.
My angst.
My failure, my heart.
My wonder, my groove.
My flair and my fire.
My light, my belief, my freedom.
To the streets.
We are active citizens.
I believe in the power of social media.
Social impact and street art.
I believe in social media that inspires,
Educates,
ignite, empower.
Liberate.
I believe in social impact.
in all forms through art.
Collective vision, collaboration.
Co-creation, oneness, and community.
I believe in social impact that sustains.
I believe in street art that breaks walls. That opens minds, hearts, and spirits.
That shakes and shapes reality.
That informs.
And transforms.
I'm a teacher.
I am a father.
I am a student.
We are friends.
We are Artivism.